Hello YouTube family and welcome to another highly informative video. And in today's video, I'll be teaching you all how to create a professional looking AI image of yourself just like this, and this. So yeah, let's get started. Very first thing you all want to do is to go to your App Store if you're using an iOS device, or you can go to your Play Store if you're using an Android device. Now once you go there, you simply want to search for Remini AI. Now you want to go for the first one and then you want to download and install it. But as you guys can see, I already have it downloaded on my phone. That's why what is showing here is open. But once you've downloaded it, all you want to do is to click on open. And now it's going to load for you. So you just want to select allow over here and then get started. Now we have a couple of options over here. But then you can just simply skip this process by selecting skip at the top right over here. Now you want to click on continue, continue, continue. And now we have the option of payment, but then you can simply skip this process by clicking on the arrow at the right over here and then cancel. Now try it with your photos. All you want to do here is to click on continue and then allow access to all photos. Now you basically want to select your gender and then select allow. Now as you guys can see, this is our library over here. Once you select this icon over here, it's going to show you your entire photo library. So now once you've uploaded some photos here in Remini, all you simply want to do is to scroll down to where we have style over here. Now you want to look for a style you want. Let's say we want this style. Now once you've seen the style you're okay with, all you simply want to do is to select use this model image. Now you'll be shown an ad as you guys can see on my screen right now. All you simply want to do is to skip the video and then select cancel. Now as you guys can see, it's going to use our image based on the style we selected. All you simply want to do right now is to give it time. So as you guys can see over here, we have the estimated time of 2 minutes. In case you don't have the time to wait, all you simply want to do is to click on notify me when ready. And in case you want to enhance the photos, you can as well select enhance photo. But then if you don't want to enhance it, you can simply click on no thanks. And now you can go out of the app and wait for the notification. And now once it's done, all you want to do, as you guys can see on the screen, swipe right to save. So if you swipe right like this, we're going to save. But what you want to do right now is to click on got it, and then left to trash, got it. So now as you guys can see, this is basically what it generated for us. But then left to trash, because this doesn't really look like me, so I'm going to take it left. I'm also going to take this left. I'm also going to take this left. Yeah. So let's cancel and try it out with another style. Go back and look for a better style. Let's say we want this style. So you basically want to do the same thing. Click on use this model image. Wait for the ad to be done. Keep and then cancel. We're gonna wait for another minute for it to be done. So as you guys can see, it's done. And this time, this actually looks a whole lot like me. So you simply want to swipe it to the right. Swipe to the right or you can simply just click on download over here at the bottom. Download, download, download. And that's basically how you can create AI images of yourself with your own pictures. So if you surely learned a lot from today's video, make sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, drop a like on the video, and thanks for watching. And I'll see you guys in my next highly informative video.